I'm Marissa, and that's Nick. We're high school sweethearts who love to travel. We're also professional photographers and videographers based out of Massachusetts, specializing in weddings and music videos. After being in lockdown for over a year because of the 2020 pandemic, we are so ready to get out of the house and see some new and familiar places. Welcome to I Just Want to Travel.
Washing is right there. Take a wash.
I need a wash.
Good morning, guys. We are at Epcot. Second day, park number 2. Yesterday we were at Magic Kingdom. I'll link that somewhere up here so you can watch that. And before we get too far into the video, I just want to say, can you please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, comment, thumbs up button. Please do that. That would mean the world to me. But now that that's over with, I'm gonna get this started. We're gonna go into Epcot. We're gonna have some fun. I want to eat around the world, so I'm gonna try. Nick said no, but I'm gonna try.
You're not gonna do it.
I'm gonna do it.
No.
Let's go. Let's go. We are gonna walk onto Soarin'. Soarin' is never not gonna be good. That was an amazing way to start Epcot. I love Soarin' so much. It's one of the best rides. If we can try to ride it later, we will. But we have a lightning pass for Frozen right now, so we made our way over to the Norway area and we're gonna go get on that. Not wait in line, we're just gonna get on it. Are you filming?
Yeah.
I thought you were taking a photo. Guys, we're going on Remy's ride. I am so excited. This is like literally the moment I've been waiting for. Put my shirt on. Let's go. Let's come ride it.
This is something we've never done before.
Yep, never done this one before. I'm excited. We did Living with the Land, which is something we have never done and it was so relaxing. So I feel like we should do that more because I felt relaxed. But now it's almost sunset, so we're gonna walk around the world and just look at things and take photos, and then we have a lightning pass for test track.
Okay, so tell a story about these egg rolls.
So we were in line for Frozen last year, I believe it was, and the line was like, I don't know, an hour long. And Nick went to go get a water, and he's like, you need an egg roll. And Nick's like, no, because we don't like egg rolls. He's like, yeah, you need an egg roll. And Nick's like, no. But he like forced Nick to get an egg roll, so he did. And then we ate it, and now we're obsessed with them. And it's only these ones. We don't like the ones at home. We have to have these ones. So I hope this is it, because the cart's not there anymore. So let's try it. Yep. It's them.
That's the one? Well, luckily we got two. Give me that.
Oh yeah, I vaguely remember.
Remember that shot?
I do remember.
Last year when I was like...
I'll link last year's vlog right up here so you can watch it.
What is this?
Germany.
We're in Germany?
Very cool.
How are we in Germany? We're just in China.
Oh, I don't know.
How does that work? Now we're in Spain.
Man, just taking off that passport, adding those stamps in. Should I do one in the center?
Yeah, why not?
Should I do it first or this first?
Yeah. Ready?
This first.
You ready?
Yes.
Say cheese.
You're filming.
Is that really the Eiffel Tower?
Yes, indeed. We're in Paris.
Wow.
Welcome to Paris. It's so beautiful. It's right next to Morocco. You can see Magic Kingdom fireworks. Whoa. That's crazy. We watched those last night, so tune into the Magic Kingdom vlog to watch those, but right at Epcot you can see them, which is pretty cool.
Wherever the world leads you,
What do you think?
we hope
No
you carry a
words.
song with you.
Next time on I Just Want to Travel.
Welcome to our Disney day off. We are going to the pool here at Coronado Springs.